candidates ready?
Yes, my king.
Lady Joel, you can prepare them now.
Let's welcome the candidates.
My king, I am Isabel from the family of Venti, one of the richest family in the south, Virion. My king, I am Tiffany from Leonard family. My family owns the biggest farm in Tondo town.
I know that Tondo farm.
My king, my name is Zia from Denver family. Our family owns the famous supplier of milk in Thomas town.
That's where we got the milk. Great!
My king, I am Brianna from Udoma family. My mom is actress and my dad is film director.
Yeah, the Yodoma couple from Paris, right?
Yes, my king. My king, I'm Jessa from Yakisoba family. My family owns the popular restaurant in Shangla City.
Looks like I want to visit there.
You are very welcome to our restaurant, my king.
Whoa! She is beautiful among all the candidates. Why do I feel this way about her?
My king, I am Kayako from Yama family. We sell vegetables in the market. That's what we earn together with my aunt and sister.
The vegetarian.
Huh? Don't worry, my sister.
I think you have a lot of customers. Your beauty is unique, lady.
Huh? Thank you, my king.
Thank you to our beautiful candidates. Are you ready for the test?
Oh no, I didn't read the book.
You talked as much as last night.
Because you want it, right? Why did I sleep right away last night? Gosh.
We love reading books. I'm sure Kayako has read that one. Huh? Is he going crazy? Get down! It's dangerous there!
Keep quiet. Our king is speaking.
But look at him! Huh? Where is he going? Never mind. I'm sorry.
I think. Let's not pay attention to the book I told you to read.
Huh?
Thank goodness.
Huh?
But I have one question to you all. What is most important to you?
For me, my king, is helping the poor. For me, the most important thing is love.
Love? Who?
Family, my king.
Do you have anything else to say?
That's all, my king.
And you?
Family love.
Same like her.
Yes, my king.
How about you?
To take care of yourself.
Why?
So you can help those in need.
You, lady?
To be kind all the time.
And how about you? Kayako, right?
Yes, Your Majesty. For me, the most important thing is knowledge.
And why?
Because knowledge will give us the way to know everything that needs to be done so that you can do it properly. This will also help us succeed in our plans as a leader.
She is smart.
She seems to be the only one who read the books. Thank you, candidates, for your amazing answers. Our exam for today is over, but we have visitors today from different kingdoms. And please welcome them.
Huh?
Thank you for visiting us, princes. Prince Jace from the Kingdom of Graham Island. Prince Rayleigh from the Kingdom of Sapiro. Prince Lan from the Kingdom of Lirio. Prince Kayako from the Kingdom of Adamian. And Prince Kenji from the Kingdom of Kryjan. You will dance for them as a sign of welcoming them. Because they are only 5, I am allowing Kevin to take the place of our prince, my son. Your prince is having a meeting with the Soldom Kingdom. That is so important.
I am not suitable for that, my king.
Will you allow one of the candidates not to dance?
Oh, as you wish, your majesty.
Why him? For real, I don't want to dance with him. I hope he won't be my partner.
Candidates, I will let you choose the partner you want.
Yeah!
Kayako, since you were the last to answer, you will be the first to choose.
Thank you, Your Majesty. But please allow them to go first, Your Majesty.
Oh, okay. Please, ladies, choose your partner. Huh?
You might be embarrassed if you dance with me.
You saved me, right? And why would I be embarrassed?
It is my right to save the princess.
But I'm not princess yet. And you are handsome today. Come on, I'm tired.
Oh, I'm sorry.